All right, how's everybody doing tonight? Make sure and do this step here, downloading your Pano pictures onto your desktop. So if you have more than one set, you want to create like a folder on your desktop, maybe call it Pano. And then if you have more than one set, put each set in a separate folder inside of Pano. So like name them like number 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So go ahead and get those steps done first. After we get that step done, I'm going to have you install a software that's in week 9 called ICE. And we'll do that after I walk around and make sure everybody's done this step first. Okay? So make sure you do the first step there of putting your images on your desktop. I don't care how you do it, just as long as it's on your desktop and that you have separate folders for all your images.
Okay, because I did not, I made one folder for the first set.
Yeah, because you do have to have a separate folder for each set to pull it from.
Screw that up if I did that.
I just made the pictures by sets. I didn't put on separate folders. My map board's out the car. Oh.
Okay.
No, no. You want my reader? Oh, you want it? Oh. Look. No. Huh? So did I. Where'd you go? Does anybody have an extra camera cord?
And mine.
I mean, can you use it right now?
Sure. Okay, yeah.
You forgot it on recording. Hopefully, I didn't bring mine. That worked. Yeah, that's enough. Well, of course it is. Of course it is. I won't get you right there.
All right. They're doing step 1 on the board, guys. Just coming in, downloading your photos to your desktop, putting your sets into each separate photo on your desktop. And then we are going to install a software app here in just a second.
I wasn't here on Tuesday, so I thought it was having it finished, like already panoramic and everything. So I brought it.
Oh, you already have it finished?
Yeah, I just did photo merge in Photoshop. I did automate.
Yeah, we're using a separate program anyway called Microsoft Image Composite Editor. So yeah, if you want to, do you have your original images with you? Yeah, you can just do that. You can do it from scratch. Just select one to play with it anyway. You already have it complete. You can just play with it.
What's the program you're using?
Do what now?
What program will you be using?
It's in week 9. You'll see when we go there. But did you get step 1 done already? On the board? You put your photos on your desktop?
No,
You need to get that done first.
I have to go home to get my thumb drive.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Well, don't worry about it.
so,
Yeah, you just have to watch the. We'll have it. It's being recorded, so you can watch it.
I don't believe I did.
You want to use my memory card and then put them on my memory card?
Okay, how many still working on your images? Getting your images to your desktop? Okay, a couple of you? All right. Those of you that are already finished, you can go to week 9. There is a, I'll bring it up on the overhead. There is a link on session 2 in week 9 that you need to download this app right here, this ICE app. It's a Windows app. You'll download it and install it. Just accept all the defaults as you install it. And it's a Microsoft Image Panoramic Creator. And you can download this at home too, by the way, and use it as well, just like we're using it in here. Your link is in week 9, Panoramic Lab, if you want to go there. I'm going to go ahead and play the slideshow of what we have thus far on the overhead. And let me blow up the...
Your normal email account to the photographer.
And then just attach an image to it.
Right.
That's easy. Thank you.
That's what I did. We had to do that last week. You didn't do that last week?
I was stuck at work last week.
Ah.
Big projects, so
So you need to catch up.
no,
I sent mine
I'm
anyway.
not getting like life normal because I'm just like Black Friday stuff is all over. And then next week, the
Black Friday is like, 7 weeks away.
it is, I know we got some contests coming up and stuff, but the guy from
Good job, guys. Looking good.
Yeah, they look good. I like
because
it.
we've been working so
It was all quest. It was all quest. Where is that?
You have to use your outside email. You cannot use Eagle. Remember?
Okay, so how
Go to Rock Valley College. You
Nice.
want to go to rockvalleycollege.edu.
That's cool.
Oh, just not Eagle or not.
No, you cannot use Eagle. Let's go to rockvalleycollege.edu. Nope. You have to type in
Okay, the whole thing.
the whole
It
thing.
was 5.
There you go. It should already come up. You just click on it.
100.
All right, and then go to My RVC.
Did you turn this in? Okay, it says assignment 8 panoramic. Did you turn this in? Because mine is just not, what is this?
Email, right?
Yeah, week 8. It says I didn't turn something in.
You're doing it right now. Week 8 Panoramic.
Ah, all right, I got all nervous.
Remember, you started last week.
Yeah, I know, I just got nervous because we were in week 9. I'm like, I didn't do week 8.
Yeah, we just started week 9.
Can we move the crop over if we want to?
Yeah, definitely you can move the crop over. Nope. Go ahead and log in with your same S number and password you log in with Eagle with. It's just the very same one. And then you'll email the ChuCon email address. Do you guys get your emails over here? Okay, cool. Good. And you guys got yours email? Sweet. And we're emailing back here?
Yeah, we're already.
Okay, cool. Reminder Tuesday to bring your 11 by 14 black mat board. In week 9, there's a direct link to Michael's art supply store of what I'm looking for. We're going to mount these first thing Tuesday. I'll have these printed out when you guys come to class. I'll have them printed out on 11 by 14 paper, and then we're going to mount them on a black mat board. Okay? I think they're $4.95 at Michael's the last time I priced them, somewhere around there.
They're
So,
on sale for $2.49. I bought
what are they now?
At Michael's, $2.49.
$2.49. Thank you. That's even better.
So do we just email you the one?
Email me the one, correct. Okay, we got 6 of them up here now. Oh yeah, we're building. We're building.
And I'll email mine from the house.
Yeah, that's fine. And I do like this Stitch app that Microsoft put out. Now, when you guys go home and do this, if you have Windows Vista or 7, you won't have to do the downloads. Okay? You won't have to do the downloads if you have Windows Vista or 7.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's real good. Who took that one? Sweet. You took that one,
Hi,
right?
what is that? Nice.
We'll go back. Okay, so who took this one? Who took this one?
Mine.
All right, where'd you take it at?
That is on Riverside, right when you turn off Spring Creek.
Cool. And how many photos?
It's like 8, I think.
8 of them. Cool.
It's kind of cool, so.
All right, who took this one? Inside of, is it the Starlight? Sweet. And how many photos there?
I think it was 6.
6. All right, good job. And who took this one? And that is a vertical one. That looks really good. I like that. See if we can switch. I don't know if I can in here. Let's see here real quick if I can. No, anyway. Just tilt your head sideways.
All right, everybody
Well, all right, who took this one?
well, that's mine. You used, that's the one that Jennifer bought.
Okay, looks good. And where was this taken at?
Belvedere Park.
Belvedere Park. And 9 photos?
Yes.
And this one? How many photos? And how many? And where was this taken at? Belvedere Park. Sweet. Now, what I like about all these photos, the last 2, is you can actually see some curvature here going on in the photo. I don't know if you guys can see that there. And so that's really neat. I like that. And then, how many photos for this one? 7. Okay. Cool. Right. Okay. Good job. All right. Looks like one was added here. Let me blow that one up and I'll highlight that one. Okay, who took this one?
That's me.
And Brandon, where'd you take this at?
I had this outside fat wall today.
Oh, sweet.
I'll get the number in there. Outside fat wall up in Boyd.
Oh,
Okay, so you got your retainer wall here next to the water. You got your bridge. You got your water tower. So how many photos did this take?
31.
31 photos. And were you standing on something here?
No.
Or just in the walkway?
Yeah, on the walkway up to the back door.
31 photos. Wow. Pretty cool.
I got.
Did you do a lot of overlap?
But it just didn't make it into the horizontal. So
Okay, you cut some out from.
down too and stuff.
Okay, you cut some of it out then, I'm guessing. Sweet. Wow. Really good, everybody. Good job. Anyone else here I'm waiting on?
Yep.
So what do you guys think of the program? The software is pretty cool, right? And it's free, doesn't cost anything. Once you get the installer done.
And it's faster than Photoshop.
It is faster than Photoshop, and I actually think it's more efficient and the photos look better at the end. And it's Microsoft. Go figure, right? Go figure. Yes.
Paperwork if you need it, not with me today, but if
Oh,
you
okay.
need any of that, like any of the documents or anything like that.
Oh, no, you're fine. No, you're fine. No, you're fine. You've communicated with me, so you're all right. Yes.
If you look at this address and see what
Okay, yeah, that's wrong. It's, go back to week 9. It's actually in week 9. There's an email address. Chucon plus Pano 12, where it says email, Pano, last name, JPEG.
Sorry.
Nope. Chucon plus Pano 12. It starts with the name Chucon. Right there.
Oh.
Where it says email that file to Foki.com at, and then here's the email address. Nope, starting with Chucon. And then copy that and put that in your email. Paste that. There you go, send it. Cool. There you go, you're done. And I'm waiting on yours still? Okay.
Somehow it brought this up again.
What's that?
It brought this whole thing up, and I guess I had to redo it. I don't know.
So it's in Poplar Grove. I actually, my neighbor.
I clicked on it,
Very
and then
low.
it brought that up again.
Well, now that is the actual file from the panoramic program. That's not the image.
Yeah.
That's the project file you're bringing up. Yeah, that's the project file.
So is this it?
That's the image probably. Yeah, there you go. Yep, that's the image. Oh, and by the way, while we're still waiting, we have the portfolios up here. I know some of you are already looking. And I thank you. You can thank Brandon. He helped me haul these up the other night.
Thank you, Brandon.
Yeah, hopefully it'll turn out nice.
Okay, we've got one to look here that just added. I'll look at that one and tell you where you asked me. Tell us where you took it out here in a second.
Oh, Judy.
This one's pretty.
Okay, Judy, where was this taken at?
It's Ballman Park.
Wow, how many photos for this?
5.
5 photos. Excellent. Where were you, how were you standing or sitting or what?
I was standing on the walk path, and it doesn't, in the picture, it doesn't look at all like real life. But yeah, I was standing on the path, and I just started on the left and worked my way around.
Good job. Excellent. Looks really good. And we're waiting on what? One more, right? You got yours still?
I guess I gotta throw one out. I have a bunch of my phone from my cruise from spring break.
No, that's right. Just watch the podcast and get it done by Tuesday, because I'm going to have to print out everybody's by Tuesday, and you will need to bring. Look in week 9. Everybody's bringing a 11 by 14 black matte board at Michael's. I think they're. What did you say? They were $295.
290, two cheaper than that. 224 or something.
224 and 11 by 14 black matte at Michael's. Okay. And that's it. So yeah, if you get that finished, what you can do for me is you email it like I have you do in week 9, and also email me the full version of that JPEG as well, if you wouldn't mind, between now and Tuesday, because I'm going to print those out before you guys come to class to put them on the black matte board.
So I guess just end task.
Do what?
I don't know, my computer's like frozen.
Do control, delete. Oh, there you go. Is this one? Are you saving this one?
No,
She wanted to get into here.
I can't move.
Okay, just go ahead and close out. Click the red X. You'll have to probably relaunch the browser again.
I've tried.
Okay, do control, delete. Something's catching it up. Go to Task Manager. processes, and then click on firefox.exe.
And process?
Yep, and process. We got one more to look at, and then you're free to go. It'll be uploaded in just a moment. And then just remember Tuesday to bring your 11 by 14. Yes.
Now, when I took this picture, this railing here is straight,
Uh-huh.
but it doesn't look like that.
It's not going to in panoramic because you're going to get the curvature of the earth in the photo itself that you're not going to see with your eyes.
So there's no way to correct that.
No, you're not going to. You don't want to be corrected in the panoramic. The whole purpose of panoramic is to see that image as it really is, because your eyes will actually convert everything into 3D. It doesn't see things as it actually is, if that makes sense. It fills stuff in. You don't see the curvature of the earth, by the way, when you look at something like you do in the picture. And so,
It isn't because I'm so close.
nope, it's because it's linear. You're taking literally linear photos going from left to right. Your eye sees everything in 3D. And so when you put it to panoramic, you see everything as it really is in a linear fashion. And so, yeah, it is interesting. And you usually see, if it's wide enough, you usually start seeing the curvature of, curvature of the earth in the actual image. So
Okay, so do I have to go to Foki or no?
you've got to highlight my email, the chucon.pano. Yeah, highlight that, copy it. And then you want to go to rockvalleycollege.edu and go to your email address, your my email.
Oh, I can do that from here, can't I?
No,
No.
you have to do it outside email address. So just go to rockvalleycollege.edu.
Oh, can I do AOL?
You can do AOL too.
So I did make a contact sheet for this stuff?
No,
You don't want us to do
no,
that?
don't worry about it. No, do not worry about it. We would have done it if the software would have went a little better tonight, but forget it. You guys already know how to do contact sheets, so I'm not worried about that. The main thing was getting the end result, which was the panoramic image. I needed that. Yep, you are done. We're still waiting on one, but if you need to go ahead and head out. Tuesday, make sure and bring your 11 by 14. But if you can hang back a few more moments, we'll look at the last image that's being uploaded tonight.
Like pressure.
No pressure there.
No pressure. No pressure.
Okay, no pressure at all.
No pressure or anything.
What's going on over there? How can I be the first one to be done with one?
There you go, and attach your image. There you go. Yeah, that's the one you want. Yep.
Do I have to write anything?
Yeah, write in your last name for subject and send it. And tell me when you've hit send.
It's 11 by 16.
What do you have?
They cut it 11 by 16. That could cause a problem.
Yeah, well, the one I'm wanting, if you look at the image, it's the matte one that has a hole cut out in the middle for you already.
Oh, you want a mat like that?
Yeah, that has a hole cut. I think it's an 8 by 10 circumference in the middle that the hole is in there. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's 8 by 10.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah,
The one I got.
Sending.
still sending. If I keep refreshing it 5,000 times, will that help?
What?
If I keep refreshing my page a million times? Tell me when it's done. Still sending?
Still sending.
Still sending.
Says it's 11.8 megabytes.
Yeah, that's normal.
That's what?
That's normal. Yeah.
I don't know what my Rock Valley College line is.
Do what now?
I don't know what my Rock Valley College, oh, it says it's sent now.
It's sent now. Okay, let's see here how fast Folky is. See, did you just put your last name on it?
Yes. That's what you told me to do.
Yes. I know. I did.
It is coming up as sent.
That's fine. It'll get here.